Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkoza's Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button, guys. The hate that Lady Tama is getting on my social media platforms is insane, especially TikTok. Ever since ugale warivila ukuthi usijava mhlobo kumaqansi, everyone uyamzonda ugale. Actually 90% of abantu banamhlanje they hate ugale. I-career yakhe emqulu yavele yawa yashabalala ngaleso sikhathi. She's no longer relevant, people no longer love her, people no longer book her. Nje umuntu ukuthi ngisho angaposta something TikTok, always people badohlala bakhuluma ngasijava, always people badohlala bakhuluma ngendlela bangamquleli ngakhona. Guys, please give the girl a break. Nkosi yami hle, yo, this is so sad. Mawufunda ama-comments uzoshaya emahloni because what the hell is this, guys? Hayibo, kani nandlulise emculileni phela ugirl, but angeke sithi futhi bekanemanga, futhi angeke sithi beqinisile, but indlela sebantu bamjeka ngakhona, ayi Nkosi yami, I know. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.